How's it going, guys? We're back on the 61 GMC 1500 here. Got a little something different I'm doing today while I'm waiting on parts. I'm gonna do a kind of a distressed logo on the side here. I got some one-shot pinstriping enamel. I don't really know how to do this. I'm just kind of winging it. Basically, I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna do a coat of black on the for the lettering. Then I'm gonna distress it out, and then I'm gonna put yellow over top of that and do the same thing, distress it out. I started out by doing a kind of a loose layout on what I want, but I'm kind of going by the style of that, just kind of how it flows and everything. But for the most part, I'm just kind of gonna freehand it, and whatever it turns out like, it turns out like, it's fine. Most of it's all gonna get sanded back down to where you can kind of just see some of it anyway. But yeah, should be pretty cool. Again, no experience doing this, so all you pinstriper guys, look away. It's gonna get a little ugly. Yeah, all right, let's get to it. All right, guys, so I got that done. Like I said, just sanded it down easy. Didn't take really too much to do. I think it looks pretty good. Kind of got that old look, like it's been worn down. It kind of sanded through on the on some of the primer underneath, which kind of looks cool. It's got like a pinkish color to it. I like it. And I went ahead and did the other side too off camera. I just didn't want to bore you with me doing the same thing over and over. So we will swing around and see the other side. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. Not bad for never doing it before. Kind of has a good look to it. Fits the Rat Rod theme of the truck, so I think it'll really fit with it nicely. And I think once I get the bed put back on, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do something along the upper edge of the bed too. But yeah, all right, until next time, guys.